Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about. Hello friends, let us now learn the classification of muscle relaxants, that is competitive blockers. Competitive non-depolarizing blockers are of two types. One include D-tuberculin, doxycurium, atracurium, cis-atracurium. This includes mivacurium, metacurine. Okay, what are these? These are actually benzyl. These are benzyl isoquinolone derivatives. One group is benzyl isoquinolone derivatives, which are D-tuberculin, doxycurium, atracurium, cis-atracurium, mivacurium and metacurine. Others are aminosteroid derivatives. What are aminosteroid derivatives? These include pancuronium, procuronium, vecuronium, papacuronium and rapacuronium, hypercuronium and rapacuronium. Okay, thank you for watching.
Thank you and thank you for watching.